Nelson Wright with Southern Light LED. We're introducing a new product. This is our trailer backup lights with brackets. We've had our backup light kit that a lot of people have used and loved. We took some advice from some customers, added some new little additions to it. We now have a 90-degree angle bracket you can see here. And this is so you don't have to drill it into your beam going across. Some people like that look. It looks a little more factory, but some people want the convenience of a quick bracket to do this process very quickly. So we added these 90-degree brackets that they come with. You can select that with your purchase if you want them. But on this boat right here, we're gonna mount these right here. Almost looks like a factory tail light. You could possibly mount them underneath, but we're gonna get them on the top side, have a little better projection. But those, all you're gonna have to do is drill your little wire behind it. We're gonna run it down. We ran our wire already from our tongue. This right here goes all the way up to the tongue. Super easy. Plug it in your 7-pin plug that it comes with. Run your wire, drill this down, connect this with the quick connects we provide, and less than 30 minutes, you've got your trailer lights, backup lights hooked. They're gonna come in a pair. You can get them with the brackets. That's a 90-degree bend. They're gonna be made out of aluminum. So if you wanna adjust them, you can just grab them once they're screwed down and bend them to your desired angle that you want them projecting if they're too high or too low. So we're gonna drill these in real quick. Guys, there you go. We got our light in. We're gonna drill our wire behind here, run this wire straight down, tie it into the wire we ran, and then you got sturdy backup trailer lights so you can see on those dark